Do you want to know how you can change your ESPN password? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change or reset your ESPN Plus password. Go ahead and search for ESPN Plus and click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of ESPN Plus. If it doesn't work, go ahead and click on the reload button over here on the top and you will be headed to ESPN. Now click on this icon and go to login. After click on login, you will be logged into your account if you had previously logged in with your account. To change your password, click on your profile or hover around your profile and go to your ESPN profile. You can see password over here. To change your password, go ahead and click on this next button and you can see that you can choose a password. If this page doesn't open up, another page will open up asking for the code sent to your email address, so you can go to your email address and copy the code and paste it, and then this page will appear. Now go ahead and choose a password for your account. Make sure to choose a secured password. Check your password once, and if it is told great or amazing, go ahead and click save and continue. This way you can see that you have now set your ESPN Plus password. So go ahead and click continue and cross this. This is it, guys. This is how you reset your ESPN Plus password. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.